Hello everyone. Today we're going to be flushing the oil on a Toro TimeMaster. Our flushing agent is seafoam, and the oil we're going to be using is the SuperTech brand, which I believe is a Quaker State product sold by Walmart. Pour the specified amount into the oil fill neck. Then we're going to start up the engine and let the seafoam work itself through the lubrication system. 5 or 10 minutes should be enough time for the solvents to break down and dissolve any of the sludge deposits or impurities in the engine. If you have an old, neglected mower, you may need to perform several oil flushes before the oil can begin flowing freely through the oil channels and around the piston rings. This mower is well maintained, so it's just a matter of keeping the engine working at top performance. We drained about 13 ounces from the crankcase, so it's just a matter of replacing that 13 ounces with fresh oil. For an accurate reading on the dipstick, we'll need to find some place where the ground is level. For me, it's up here by the compost bin. The oil needs to come up to the top of the hatch marks on your dipstick, and this does. Okay, we changed and flushed the oil, and our mower won't need another oil change for about 50 hours, according to the manual. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.